Did you know your dishwasher can double as a toy cleaner, eliminating up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria? That's right, the same appliance that tackles your greasy pots can also sanitize your kids' toys with ease. From plastic blocks to rubber ducks, just place them on the top rack, avoiding anything with batteries or delicate paint. Use a gentle cycle with a non-toxic detergent, and in no time, you'll have sparkling clean toys, free from dirt and grime. This method not only saves time but also ensures a safer play environment for your little ones, reducing the risk of illness from contaminated toys. So next time you're running a load of dishes, consider throwing in those playroom favorites for a quick and thorough sanitization. It's a game changer for busy parents looking to streamline household chores while keeping their children's health a top priority.